Healthy, super taste, delicious. Hello guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I am going to introduce to you unique coconut bread roti with tuna onion sambol. It's so delicious, also easy to make. I hope definitely you guys like it. Alright, let's start. So this is our coconut. I'm going to break into the two. So half of water we are going to mix into the bread roti. So let's look at the ingredient. Alright, my shredded coconut already done. Our ingredient ready. We have a 500 gram of all-purpose flour. We have a half cup of shredded coconuts. Going to mix. We have a 2 egg. We have a 1 teaspoon of the salt. That's all our ingredient. First of all, we mix properly. Alright guys, okay, I think I need to use my hand. So our ingredient all up with us. We have already 500 gram of all-purpose flour. Also we have a half of the coconut shredded. Also we have a 1 teaspoon of the salt and 2 eggs. Now mix properly. I think we have to add some more coconut water. Mix, continue. Alright, our dough is already ready. Now I'm going to add green onion. Alright. This is our coconut bread roti final mix. Actually we don't use any kind of baking soda or yeast. Also we don't want to worry, keep for long times. Very easy, very quick, also so delicious. Now keep it aside. Okay, now our step 1 done. Now I am gonna make coconut bread combinations of tuna onion sambol. It's very easy make, very quick, also super delicious. Alright, let's start. This is our ingredient. My onions ready to cut. All done. Our coconut bread roti combination of tuna onion sambol ingredient all ready. 500 gram of the red onion. We have a special, this is the item actually special, Maldives fish. This means to say tuna fish. Also we have a mustard seed. This is actually I get the half teaspoon. We have a red chili flakes. Also I get the 1 tablespoon. We have a clove, 6 pieces. We have a, also we have a cardamom. I'm using only 3 pieces only. Okay, we have a 1 teaspoon of salt. Also finally we have a turmeric 30 grams. All ingredient ready to cook. Let's start. Okay, now I'm going to start our cooking. Beginning 2 spoon of the oil. Make a little low fire. Beginning I use mustard seed. I use like half a spoon of the mustard seed. So now I use onion. 500 grams of onions. My dog is ready. So I'm going to cut into the half. Into the half. Into the half. Now we have almost 8 coconut bread rotis. Do you know? Now I am going to make coconut bread combination of tuna onion sambal. Right. I'm going to mix fish, mix coconut, chili flakes, clove, cardamom, 1 teaspoon of salt. Also we are going to add cinnamon stick. Now finally we are going to mix turmeric. Now I am going to use curry leaves. Pieces. Look at that smell. Wow. Look at this. All onion getting dry. Beautiful. So finally I am going to use vinegar. 1 spoon of vinegar. This why I use vinegar. It's a secret because I can keep this tuna onion sambal long times without using prep. Looking good. I think already done. Good smell. Alright guys. Our dough is already ready. So I'm going to make many breads. Now make the ball. Make ball like that. Now push down. Make a perfect round. Now we're going to cook our bread roti. Now we are going to on our cooker. Cooker almost heaty. Yes. Now transfer the roti. Now we are going to make the medium heat. Always try to use medium heat. That's why not going to dark brown the bread roti. It will come like a gold color. Patches gold color, also not much crunchy. So we are going to cook one side almost. Right, look at that, colored. Our bread roti already finished. Close the cooker. Look at this beautiful coconut bread roti with tuna onion sambal. What I really like about this coconut bread roti. Next have a taste. Some wine. Look at this guys. What I smell. It's crunchy on the side and very soft inside. So I'm gonna test with my onion sambal. The combination of all so unique. It's a healthy, super taste, delicious. I'm going to test it. Another one. What a combination. Tuna onion sambal is great. The taste, tuna, onions, so many variety ingredients is there, all mixed together. Wonderful. I can't explain what is the taste really. Okay guys, I hope you guys enjoy my video. See you next video. Bye bye.